Good evening, friends. This is, weekend thought process that I have on the market. Basically, from the review of all the opinion I've had on the market, one thing is clear that more than 50% of people are negative on the market. Now, you people know I have very simple and rudimentary type analysis. I have just one question. Okay, market is weak. US market is weak. Then why are we only 300 points away from fresh highs? Now, some of you may say Reliance is skewing the market. Well, Reliance is a company of our markets. Reliance or no reliance, the fact of the matter is that we are at 11,450, 500. So, for me, other than that one large candle, I cannot see too much bearishness. I can't see too many stocks which are collapsing. And despite the fact that bank nifty has gone down on most of the days, if Reliance has taken the nifty up, bank nifty has taken it down. Now, as far as the US is also concerned, the declines are becoming slowly shallower. I mean, there does not seem to be, the sort of panic that a market decline would bring. So, my take just on this basis would be that the market has a very bullish tone. Now, why specifically I am making this video is because, as you people know, I follow pivots. The weekly pivot is at 11,380. The monthly pivot is at 11,360. Two longer term pivots basically coinciding with each other means that that is a very, very, very strong zone, because on two different time frames, if you are getting the same level, any excursion into that level should be bought into. Okay, and I would think that if bank nifty starts to participate next week on the upside, and I think there are indications that there is a bit of exhaustion on bank nifty. The news is already done as in, you know 3,000 points of downside has priced in a lot of bad news. Banks will not close down, that is my sense, and some kind of pullback rally is in the offing. A pullback rally could be 800 to 1,000 points, and I would think that that will help the nifty move past 11,500. I think once that 50% zone of the entire decline from 11,800 to 11,200 is taken out, all these guys who are bearish will turn bullish, and it will take stops out both on bank nifty and on nifty. So Monday we are likely to open, as of now, what SGX is suggesting, around 11,400. So that is a place where you want to buy. You've just seen a video on spring action. I think spring action is what you will get on Monday, because we are likely to open below Friday's low, and from there you'll start to see buying return. So basically, that appears to be the view that we should be looking at 11,560 to 600 in the next rally. And I think this correction, other than first couple of days, is looking fairly mild to me, and one that will soon be taken over by lots of buying. On the bank nifty, you can maintain stops like 22,000, and on Monday, even if you get a decline on bank nifty, I would think it would be a buy, and we should get spring action even on the bank nifty. So that being said, overall I would think this would be a great time to build a mid cap style portfolio. We have just suggested a mid cap portfolio today for our clients, and the time is right, the place is right. Okay, the market is not showing the kind of weakness most people want it to show, because in after this sort of a rally you have hardly 500 point correction. That shows you the strength of the market. See, we have to look at the market for what it is, not what we want. So my sense would be that it is a strong market, and one that will keep confounding the bears, and all declines should be bought in here. And I think next week could be one more positive week, and we should be able to cross the 50% zone of this correction. Again, a reminder for those who have not still registered for the webinar, please do that. There are some seats left. Please WhatsApp 98710 66337 or email at ashwani_gujral@yahoo.com. That should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.